Want to be that person everyone just loves being around? It's easier than you think. Here are 3 tiny, science-backed habits that will make everyone feel comfortable with you. First up, the head tilt. Next time someone is talking to you, just slightly tilt your head. This super simple move shows you're really listening and that you trust them. It's like a non-verbal hug. Second, the eyebrow flash. When you see someone you know, give a quick, subtle raise of your eyebrows. It's a universal signal that says, "Hey, I'm so happy to see you and I'm friendly." Finally, mirroring. Gently copy the other person's posture or hand gestures. Don't be obvious, but a little mimicry creates a subconscious connection and makes them feel instantly understood. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more life hacks.